Hi, welcome back. This is Krish again. Welcome to Bansi Cloud Tech, and today we'll continue the from the step 12 what we have done. Once we have installed the Git in the EC2 instance, you can see in here when you go here, you can see the simple step. You can choose the select Git. Before that, it was not there. So what I am doing is I'm giving my repository. So step 12. So once it is done, then we are doing the git checkout. How we are doing pipeline script, git checkout, we are doing here like node stage git checkout and my git pointing to the git directory. So similar way. Okay. So once we build step 14, once we build, you will get the first time build. Okay. So you can see here pipeline how it is coming. Pipeline stage is end of success. So what I am doing is I am testing one by one. So I'm testing one by one. So this is success, right? So Maven build we are doing. So for this, you need to go into the Jenkins again, and when you choose Maven configuration, use default Maven setting. You can see here. So Maven, when you say that Maven, you need to select here Maven 3 install automatically. So what it will do is it will install automatically. So here Maven we are installing from the Jenkins itself. Okay. So once it is done, we'll go to the next step. What is the next step? We are doing the simple step. Use tool from the predefined tool installation. You have to choose this, and tool type we are choosing Maven, and that is selected the Maven 3 because we are generating the pipeline script. So you can see here we are checking out from the Git stage, Git checkout, Git full link I have given. The next stage is Maven build. So we have defined Maven home is equal to tool name Maven 3 type Maven, and I have given the bin MVN package. So it will build the package using the Maven. So how I have downloaded from the Maven, that is apache.org, you can download the Maven from there. And once you download, you have to install in this. See, you can see here, this all it's being downloaded. Okay, so see, I have run the, so it is end of pipeline. So step 16, what we are doing is deploy to Tomcat. So install SSH agent via Jenkins manage plugin. You have to install it. So once you install it, you can see here, come down. Okay, SSH agent, you have to choose it. When you choose it, you can see we are giving the credential, add credential of the Jenkins. What we are doing is add credential. You can see here. So when you are doing the add credential scope, you have to. I have given the description. I have given Tom credential, username, EC2 user. You have to give the username of the EC2 instance, and ID. You can choose Tomcat. The same thing I have given. You can give a different name also. So stage what we are doing in the pipeline, deploy to Tomcat server. SSH here we are deploying to Tomcat server through SCP because SSH agent I have choose, right. So I am taking from the target, that is war file from here in the Jenkins, and I am deploying in the Tomcat server. So for this you need to have a Tomcat server also running. Okay. So once this is done, we'll come here. Now execute. You can see the SSH agent it's going. Okay, so this is the what it has done, and you can see the pipeline stage, and it was successful. Okay, so Docker login. So what we are doing is this stage. What we are doing is Docker image with credential Docker. I have given credential, and I have given the Docker here. So here variable Docker password. So if you give -p and the variable, because I don't want to expose the password to the external world. So I can check it the credential and give the password. Here important is you have to install the Docker in that machine, and service Docker you have to start. You will also require Docker service, Docker start, and user mode. I'm changing the permission to Docker Jenkins, and you can see here restart, reboot. Okay, building Docker image and pushing. So stage Docker image, what I am doing is with credential Docker login I have given, and I am building the my Docker image using. Okay, so okay guys, so this is what we have done here. So this is what I have done here. SSH agents you can see here. So deploying, it's very successful, and deploying to Docker. You can see here deploy to Docker. So important Docker should be installed up running in the Docker machine. Once everything is, you need to browser.